Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to watch history on Instagram Reels. Here I am going to show you two different tricks to find a specific reel that you have watched previously or to find your history. I'll share two methods with you, and while they are not foolproof, they are currently the best options available. First, tap on Reels at the bottom right. If you come across a reel you like but scrolled past it, don't worry. As long as you haven't closed Instagram or a significant amount of time has passed, you can navigate back to your Reels history. Simply enter the Reels section again, swipe down, and there you have it. You can easily find and watch that specific reel. Now the second option, although not always effective, involves interacting with this reel. If you liked, commented, or took any action on the reel and then lost track of it, you can recover it. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three lines at the top right. Access your activity, followed by interactions, and then choose likes. You'll find the reel you interacted with here. Keep in mind this method may not work for all the reels, especially if you didn't engage with them. That is why I strongly recommend hitting the like button for any reels or posts you enjoy. This ensures they are stored in your activity history indefinitely. You can always scroll through this list to watch your reels that you liked even from months ago. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.